How do you integrate React with a Flask backend? Imagine building a web app where the user interface is smooth and interactive, while the server handles data and logic behind the scenes. That's what combining React with a Flask backend allows you to do. First, you start by creating your Flask backend in a separate folder. Build a Flask server that provides RESTful API endpoints, which are just URL your React app can call to get data. These endpoints should return data in JSON format, making it easy for React to process. Run your Flask server on a specific port, usually 5000, so it listens for requests. Make sure your Flask routes handle tasks like database queries or user authentication. Next, set up your React application in its own folder, using tools like Create React App. This keeps your project organized. In React components, use JavaScript functions like fetch or axios to make HTTP requests to your Flask API endpoints. For example, fetch data from localhost 5000/data and store it in React state. When data arrives, update your user interface to show the latest information. To connect React with Flask smoothly, you need to handle cross-origin resource sharing issues. Use the Flask-CORS extension to allow requests from your React app's origin. This is especially important during development. In production, you can serve your React build files directly from Flask or set up a reverse proxy to serve both from one domain. During development, test your Flask API independently to make sure it returns the correct data. Then, develop your React frontend to consume this API and display data. Use React's lifecycle methods or hooks to fetch data when components load and update the display dynamically. You can also add features like from submissions or data updates by sending post, put, or delete requests from React to Flask. For secure access, consider token-based authentication like JSON Web Tokens. Store tokens in React and send them with your requests to protect your API. Manage your API URL with environment variables so switching between development and production is easier. Keep your project structure clear by separating backend and frontend code. This way, Flask handles server-side logic, database interactions, and API responses, while React focuses on creating a responsive user interface. Following these steps makes building a web app with React and Flask straightforward and organized, giving you a powerful way to develop modern web applications.